This is the elevator at the expanded 1995 expansion of the bus section, Keene Prussia Mall, Keene Prussia, Pennsylvania.
Yeah, and I'm here with John,
American Trains and Elevators,
Katie, and Danielle.
And Danielle Curran.
There's a nice fountain right there.
Say hi to my viewers on YouTube, I'll preview.
Hello, viewers on YouTube.
I have no idea what brand this elevator is. Maybe some of y'all refuses can tell me what kind it is.
This is a Kone slash MCE that for some stupid reason Simon painted black.
And that's elevator number 31. And I got the door open.
Elevator number 31? How many elevators are in this mall?
I counted 24 public elevators, not including the service elevators.
White lantern for up. Go to UL.
Neutral cool spawn works, I like that. Do you girls?
Oh yeah.
There's a fountain.
I like escalators too.
You already will?
Oh, we got company.
Danielle, would you like to send down to ML?
Sure. Let's hit the button. Okay, make room.
And I got the door open.
Come on in.
You come in. No, it's Friday.
We're elevator filmers.
And we're with Best Buddies today. There should be enough.
Yeah, come on in. Yeah, we're going down, right?
Yeah.
Oh, the door close button does not work. Okay.
Sometimes it does, sometimes it doesn't.
Let's get a view out the window.
Yeah, we're going down.
You heard ML? Want your level?
Open the leg. Open the leg.
No, we're going.
Alright, I have got the door open.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Alright, that's one round trip done. How many left?
Well, let's take one more ride. I want to hear the motor again. All right.
Is that okay with you?
All right, so everybody be quiet and listen to the motor.
Alright, Katie, do the honors. Now that's a very nice motor.
Yeah. Are we?
And I got the door open.
You guys can come in. We're just riding it.
And as soon as we get
There's plenty of
downstairs,
room, don't worry.
This is a really nice elevator. Guess who's riding me today? It's Danielle, American Trains and Elevators, and Katie Queenan. These are your fixtures. They're Innovation Bruiser fixtures. Danielle, whenever you're ready, take us down to main level. 4,000 pound capacity. There's your floor indicator. Again, this is elevator number 31. Here at ML, button goes out. I got the door open. Before we exit the elevator, I want to get
See here,
what do you guys think of this elevator?
GAL interlock.
I like
I believe this was installed in 2015, if I'm not
I like the
mistaken.
glass. It's really cool. I like these.
No, I don't like the ugly black paint, though. That's ugly. All right.
Oh, hold on. I got the door for them.
Nice.
Oh, hold on.
Nice.
I guess that reminds me of when they're driving their car. They have to back up and...
Oh, this thing's gonna nudge.
Alright, Will.
There it
There it
goes.
goes.
And
And
that's it.
that's it. Katie, I'm